Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody had one request and one promise. The request that people in our state report suspicious activity to police. The promise that she plans to fight to try to get the names of suspected terror suspects crossing into the country illegally in the southern border and who may be headed to Florida.
We know that we have Floridians that are scared.
Florida's Attorney General wants to warn and reassure. This week, the FBI's director told Congress Hamas's October 7th terror attack on Israel could inspire more threats and attacks closer to home. Considering Palm Beach County's high per capita Jewish population, does that make this county that much more vulnerable, in your opinion, than most of the rest of the state?
As we saw certain information coming out over the last week, and we knew as the federal government was leaking out that this threat level was increasing, it is no coincidence that we chose to come to South Florida.
Attorney General Ashley Moody and the Commissioner of the Florida Department of Law Enforcement say another threat comes from the southern border. FDLE Commissioner Mark Glass wants the Department of Homeland Security to share more information about people connected to terror groups crossing into the U.S.
We know, without a doubt, even they admitted to it this past week, of how many people are coming across that border that they don't even have any idea about it. We've asked over and over again for information to help us find where these folks are going, and we keep getting stonewalled.
We took that statement to the Department of Homeland Security. Their response: encounters of suspected terrorists attempting to cross the southern border or encounters of those associated with such individuals are uncommon. The statement added, this spring, we began releasing monthly updates regarding encounters at our borders of individuals with records in a database of suspected terrorists. In the meantime, Florida has provided state law enforcement protection from highway patrol officers to fish and wildlife officers, all to protect Jewish day schools and synagogues. And again, all law enforcement officers want the public to report any suspicious activity. The number you can call is 1-855-FLA-SAFE. That's 1-352-7233. In Boynton Beach, I'm Dave Bowman, WPTV News Channel 5.